Let's see how this does. Takes a while. Cool. Definitely flies different than the DJI. I can tell you it flies bad, just different. It's heavy, it feels heavy. Certainly louder too. I don't have the beacon yet, so I can't fly it autonomously. Oh wow, it tells me that my camera's dirty. Well, it just kind of thuds. This is going to be interesting. Very different. It's constantly calibrating. Cool. Okay, that's enough. The remote's clunky for sure. That's a common complaint. But I don't plan on using this with the remote that often. I want this to follow me. Cool.